All right, guys. Morning. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone is happy. I was kind of telling people I was getting all the dips and everything's, and actually I holded everything yesterday. So, it's gonna be great day and looks great. And we are up very nicely, definitely. So, yeah, if you have any questions how that S&P inclusion happens, I did a lot of research on that and I was pretty positive what's gonna happen up, and so everything is working good. uh, Dip would be good. It could be a good time to get in, I guess, right? So yeah, let's see how it goes. But Tesla is all over. It's gonna be very volatile. uh, I'm not gonna short at opening, but not gonna lie, I am kind of thinking of shorting, but I'll see how the market reacts. But I'm thinking if it goes to like 700, then maybe get some puts and see. But today gonna be like I won't short today day trade though. That would be really risky. You could be really again volatility is really high. If you are doing day traded, it may be fine. You can do day trade, but kind of swing. I have a feeling next week we dump it, but we'll see. A lot of news coming in for Tesla, so oh yeah, last 5 minute spike was like a crazy. If you look at yesterday, right? Yesterday, 5 minutes. Yeah, yesterday five. I mean, yeah. Look at that. Look at that volume. Like whole day we had this. The last I think it started right around like 30, 4:30 or 3:30. 3:30, then volume kind of spike. That would have been literally good trade for like a day trade, right? Think about it. Like it broke out. That was an all-time high broke out, and you can see that volume coming in. And 648, you could literally sold it at like maybe there is some time, but even if you sell like 10-15 points, that's $1,000. Tesla is a little volatile, but Ivy would probably jacked up too. And just in case if it did not get sold out, you should be still profitable right at open. So yeah. All right. To sell it open or not, that's it. Again, it depends, right, Angelica? So where you are, I mean, if you are 600, you may be fine, right? Unless it goes below 500, then you may need to think about it. But if you are like 700 and something, I mean, selling is not a bad idea, because as the time pass, if the price does not move, it's gonna go down. So but I think one thing is like, so the major buying gonna happen at right at 345, I mean 350 pretty much. They are buying at the close. What they're trying to do is they're gonna match what's the close price of Tesla on today's, and close price you get right at the end 5 minutes, right? So the big buying gonna happen at right at that time. So yeah, last 5 minutes could be like a major spike. Today I kind of doubt it will have a dip. I mean, there's so much momentum, so much FOMO. Before, like there were so many people were dumping because people didn't know what's gonna happen and whatnot. We'll see, but I have a feeling we might not. We probably won't get that of a dip. Yeah, seller at close is a good idea, I think. But again, it depends like where you are, what's your options. Like if you have five, like a lot of people messaged me yesterday, they are at like 500, 510. You are fine. Like I mean, it expires this week, you are totally fine. You have zero thing to worry about, right? Like you are way deep in the money, right? Even 600, 610, 20, I see pretty safe. All my spread max I have is basically 620. So I'm not budging till Tesla gets like a 650, or if it goes style down, then I may be, oh, okay, I may want to close it, right? Before that, I'm fine. If you get a nice dip, I may get some in, right? So now we were at almost 74 pre-market and a little bit down 67, but still really nicely up. Pretty much everything should be up. Yeah. So yeah, ask me away. So we hold Tesla calls over the weekend. Again, as I said, Eddie, where you are, what's your options, right? Mine expired. I think I have few which expire next week, but most of my options gonna expire today. So yeah, uh, I will try to get the max money out of it. But if Tesla, let's say, drops below 50, maybe 40, then I may kind of start selling it. I'll still be up nicely at that time, but we'll see. But I highly doubt we'll go down. 610. If you have a 610 and 610, and if it's gonna expire today, probably you're fine. Maybe look into the price, and if it goes maybe 40 range, if it goes below 40, then you need to something to worry about. After that, you can just sit down and relax. But again, depends when it's gonna expire. Next week I may sell out. I think most of the people's gonna sell out. I'm definitely sure Ace gonna sell out. Don't tell me, but I know that. I know how he acts. But yeah, because one thing is expectation is we will get maybe kind of a little bit down after Monday. It's gonna be the news happen, whatever. So it's gonna be sell the news, but nobody knows. But we'll see. Expiring today, but there should I let them expire? Yeah, I think Mashil, you are fine. You are fine. 595, 600 should be fine. You should be fine. 655, do I sell today? Yeah, 655, 660. Look at the price. I think, yeah, you could actually sell it out. That's probably. Oh, okay. Yeah, if it's gonna expire 610, we may dump it. We may pull. I mean, that's your call, but yeah, 622.5. Again, if you are up nicely, like I mean, again, people are trying to get like a nice money everywhere, but yeah, man, I've been telling Tesla from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I've been adding on the dips. I showed the positions, and I literally posted so many plays, and people's are like on Friday when it's like 70, should I get in, man? You gotta look, you gotta know when to buy. 650. 650 is not bad, I mean, given. So if it goes up, kind of goes down, maybe 660 or something, maybe you start selling. Otherwise you may kind of, but it's kind of risky. You are right in the do you think it will be up pre-market Monday then drop? Well, we don't know, but kind of consensus is we'll get some pullback next week. Roshio, the consensus is we will get some pullback. Shares, like, again, shares like, what if you are long term or not? If you are long term, then you don't need to worry about it. But if you want to take profit, I mean, you can, at least you don't need to worry about theta and everything, right? Not gonna drop. So look at the price actions. Like, I mean, I would, if I had I have a